He's got a grip now. 7 cards in hand. Let's draw a card. It's Sandstorm. Oh hey, Stealth Pants, how's it going, man? Are you serious? You don't know this is Scary Monsters and Nice Sprites by Skrillex? It's the piano cover. So he must have Supreme Verdict or something. Hey, Stealth Pants, thanks for tuning in. You're one of my favorite streamers. Verdict? Okay, okay. The cover? Oh, yeah, it's Ferro. F-E-R-R-O. Some guy on YouTube. This guy, Ferro Montanino. I think I downloaded the off of like a YouTube Ripper. To get the MP3. Yeah, there you go. All right, I think this game is getting out of our reach here, gentlemen, ladies. Yeah, no problem. Theranos. His win condition finally showed up. No Faithless Looting to rebuy. I think we got to Oblivion Ring the Keranos. He also has a Johnny Vengeant, but I haven't seen it yet this game, so. And we'll run out Finks. Spell Skype, but not Death Shadow. Yeah, I know. My deck isn't as pimp. Doesn't have Death Shadow. Doesn't have Faith Shield. What else do you have in there? I forget. Yeah, Spellskite to protect the Kiki Resto combo. I'm sure you can figure out, but huh. Snappy? Okay, what does he target? Supreme Verdicts? No Aether Vial, not bad. Take it up to 4 for Resto. Narset, okay. There's another win con. Is it Charm? So that's the first one. The first one. I'd like to put a counter on this one, yes. This one, no. Ooh, 4 damage. I'm down to 24. Wow. Okay, now it's this one. Now on this one. This one, yes. Outpost Siege. Cool. Rebound. It's a slow way to kill an opponent. Rebounding Jeskai Charms. Lightning Helix. It's a good way to gain life.
Flicking through a little book of sex tips. Remember when the bars were all electric? And now when she told she's gonna get it, I'm guessing that she'd rather just forget it. Clinging to not getting sentimental. Said she wasn't going but she went still. Like a gentleman had to be gentle. Was it a Mechadabra or a betting pencil? Oh, the boys are slag. The best you ever had. The best you ever had is just a memory and those dreams. But as daft as they seem, as daft as they seem, my love, when you dream them overflow. Where did you go?
I think our best hope is him running out of time.
Falling about, you took a left off last laugh lane. Just sounding it out, but you're not coming back again. You're falling about, you took a left off last laugh lane. You were just sounding it out, but you're not coming back again. You used to get it in your fist.
So we've seen 2 Kikis and 2 Restos, so we're due for another few coming up here. Gone through half our deck.